I initially came to the practice because I had a tooth infection. I needed some emergency help, so I came up and they treated me so well that I decided to move to be a patient here. During that time, I fell pregnant and they identified that I needed a tooth to be removed. Quite a scary experience to have a tooth removed whilst pregnant, but the team here were absolutely amazing. I'm a deeply nervous patient, but after a few hours of coaching me through it, actually, it was totally fine. I see Vatcha as my dentist and Pascali as my periodontist, and they've both taken a lot of time to sort of talk me through the treatments that I've needed. I've had, as I say, a tooth extraction, multiple fillings, a crown, and some periodontal surgery. After the most recent treatment, which was they did a bone graft on my jaw, it was actually quite sore afterwards. After 5 days, I still felt that I was needing to take regular painkillers and I was a bit nervous, so I phoned up the practice, and actually Pascali, the periodontist, came in especially on his day off to check that everything was fine. They just take the time to explain things and put you at ease. They'll carefully sort of numb the area before putting the injection in. They'll do things like warming up the anaesthetic so that when it goes in it doesn't hurt as much. I feel that I look after my teeth so much better. Now the hygienist here is also fantastic and has sort of really taken the time to explain to me that I need to do a little bit better at managing my gum disease. You know, I think having made an investment in getting my teeth to a better state now, I'm even more incentivized to look after it. I believe the treatments are really great value for money because you just get such great care alongside the treatments, whether it's coming in on your day off or just taking the time to follow up with a comprehensive letter that explains the options that you've talked through. I feel that, you know, actually stuff like that is the real value for money. You know, of course the treatments themselves are great, but it's all the wraparound care that makes it feel a little bit better. I've been to many dental practices. They often have felt quite sterile. Coming here, the environment's really lovely. There's beautiful art on the walls. I've even asked Vatcha for a recommendation of one of the artists that he shared with me. The receptionist is fantastic. She always remembers who you are, asks after the kids. It just feels warm and welcoming and actually quite nice to sit in as a space. So they've really taken care into designing the environment to make it as sort of relaxing and comfortable as possible. I would absolutely recommend the practice to other people. What really sets them apart is their commitment to delivering the best quality of care using the best technology and the best products and treatments there are out there. I think they're a really forward-looking practice, and as I said before, they make you feel incredibly welcome and cared for and treat you sort of holistically as a patient.